Welcome, beautiful people. Today we are making the cold pressed coconut oil. So here we want to show you how to make your organic coconut oil in your kitchen. So follow along, don't skip any part of the video. You will see all the steps in a very short time, how you can make it in your kitchen without burning the coconut milk. Let's see. So we start by breaking the coconut and bringing out the flesh part of the coconut. So this is what we have. Next, we are going to wash it clean, and then we are going to slice them into small pieces so that we can actually blend it in the blender.
Next, we put it in the blender and blend it smooth.
So now,
then we sieve it and obtain the coconut milk, as you can see here.
You can see the coconut milk, and here is the shaft. So the milk now, we're going to pour it. All right. So you can see. Okay. And we are going to tie it up somewhere and allow it to be suspended in this manner. I'm going to tie it up and suspend it in this manner in a particular position so that the oil will suspend itself over the water. So we are suspending it like this until morning for about 12 hours or thereabouts, between 12 to 24 hours. Then we are going to obtain the oil over the water. So it has been suspended for about 12 hours. So we want to now release the water so that the oil on top, you can see the oil separated on top. We will release the water now by punching the bag with a sharp object. We have the oil here without the water. So now we are going to pour this into a pan and put it in the sun. Put it in the sun so that the oil can come out of the. So we pour the oil into a plate. Then this will be kept under the sun for the oil in it to separate. We cover it with a clean nylon, and then it's going to be put under the sun like this for the oil to separate without burning it. Then we're going to get extra virgin organic cold pressed coconut oil from that. So we have the extra virgin coconut oil. That is after putting it under the sun for some time. Okay. So this is the virgin, and then this was obtained without heating the oil. Now the remaining one, there is still oil in the milk here. We are going to extract this one from fire by using medium to low heat to extract that. So we're going to use low heat to extract the remaining oil from the milk. Very low. See it. It can be extracted by using only low to medium heat. Oil is there very much. You can see now. So we fry it until the residue is turning to like a golden brown or thereabouts. It's very low heat. Very low heat. If the heat is too much, it will get burned. I'm going to have it inside this bottle. So we have that. The quantity obtained after heating the coconut milk is much than the one obtained as virgin coconut oil. Right? So the coconut oil after heating It's much in quantity. Much of it came out in the hot oil as we are frying it on fire using low to medium fire. So don't forget to like and share the video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified. We bring more interesting videos like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.